Okay, so this time we're going to do a correlation example. So to do a correlation example, go ahead and go to Open, and then go to Data Library, and then look up the regression example, and then go ahead and go to Auction. This one is about looking at the relationship between you go ahead and just clear out of these for now. And this is looking at, what we're going to do is we're going to do a correlational analysis of the relationship of the age of a particular antique clock. So this is the age. And then the price, how much the price went. We want to see, is there a relationship between how old a clock is and the price that it actually went for. So to do that, we're going to go to the regression tab, and we're going to go to correlation matrix. Let's go ahead and click on that. So you see that just like we had in SPSS, you just take the age, see this relationship between age and the price. And then you'll see that we've got Pearson's R, so that's the correlational one that we want to use. Notice it already has that basic kind of example here of it's already analyzing the Pearson's R. Now the other thing we want is we want to add in the confidence intervals. So we have the confidence intervals for here, and then we'll go ahead and flag significant posts, or I'm sorry, flag significant correlations. And then from there, we can go to a correlation matrix. And with that, we're going to add in the statistics. So if we look at that, notice how we get two different things here. We've got our basic kind of scatter plot, okay, and this is going to be the, so you're looking at the age of the clock and the price. And then we have basically a display of the correlational coefficients as well. All right. Of our outputs, let's just go ahead and just like before, copy all this, put this into our Word doc here. Okay. And then from there, we can just go ahead and write out our results. So we'll say, whoops, let me choose that. So we'll write there was a significant correlation between the age of the clock and the price that it sold for, based on our goals. That was 0.73, all about 95%. Confidence intervals. Confidence interval was 0.51 and 0.86. Equals less than 0.001. We just want to italicize this. There we go, and we're all good to go. We'll go ahead and leave in that correlation plot. But with before, let's go ahead and just kind of make this a little bit smaller, that big. And there you go. There's your output, and there's all you need to do for a correlational test.